Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change taskbar border color in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Then go to personalization. Now click on colors. Here you can see some Windows colors. You can choose one of them which you like. I want to choose purple color. If you click on custom color, you can create own color. Here you can see different colors. After creating your color, you have to click on done. That's it. So this is how you can customize and create your taskbar border color in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.